Hey guys, welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. We are going to make a gummy bear. Yes, it's kind of silly, but I don't know about you guys. I love gummy bears. They're amazing. In fact, I can typically finish a whole bag by myself, which is not the best plan, but I can do it. So the first thing we're going to do is get the basics of his body so that he's the right size. I'm going to come and make a rectangle with just soft corners. Okay, and then I'm going to come and make a trapezoid, or even just a small rectangle is fine if you don't want his head to be that big. All right, now where his head ends, I'm going to come and curve in and in to kind of make that dent that makes his face. Okay. Now I'm going to create a curve so that I can make his little ears. Because gummy bears are a little amorphous. They're a little, soft around the edges. So I'll come in and put the little indents for his ears. Yes, I may have a little indent for his nose. We'll have his eyes closed. So there's kind of our indentations for the gummy bears. And you'll notice we're using really light broken lines. And that's because we are attempting to keep it just like you would see a regular gummy bear, where it doesn't look very, very specific. All right, I touch his shoulder right here, right outside of his rectangle and his head. And I'm going to come and I'm going to make the big circle for his arm. So it just works like a spiral. Do the same thing on the other side. There we are. This probably needs to be slightly bigger. Okay. And now I'm going to come and create his feet. Now, when I look at this, it does look a little long now. So I am going to lift it back up and make it a little bit shorter. Sometimes that happens to us. We start one thing and it doesn't work out exactly like we think. It's totally fine. Just make an adjustment. And an adjustment is not going to hurt you. You can do it. So I'm going to come curve it down from where that started. And I'm going to come up and make part of an oval spiral and stop. Then I will come touch the arm right outside the rectangle. I'll curve down, make an oval spiral, and stop. And then I'm going to let this line right here, I'm going to clear it out. And then I'm going to come in and give it a little bit of a round. Okay, gummy bear-tastic, y'all. Here we go. So, like I said, I am where he crosses over, I am going to use a more broken line, a line that's not quite so defined, so that it starts to be a little disparate, a little, not disparate, but disappearing. There we go. And we'll come and add in his arms. And add in his arms. And give him a little line back. All right, time for the feet. There's one gummy bear foot. There's two gummy bear feet. And then we're going to come and make that curve. And ta-da! You have a gummy bear. All right, guys, enjoy. Go for all different colors, whatever you're feeling. Maybe you want to come up with a new flavor. And we will see you later. All right, bye.